Apple has just released iOS 26.3, and for many users it's just another update. But for some people it brings back a very frustrating moment. Turning on their iPhone and seeing locked to owner with no clear way forward. Hello everyone! Welcome back to the IBF Tools YouTube channel. In this video we're going to calmly go through the real and legitimate options that can help you move forward when your iPhone is locked to owner. Before we begin, a quick reminder. Everything shown in this video is for educational purposes only, and is intended to help legitimate device owners understand their options and avoid scams or misleading information. The IBF tool was created to make this process easier and more structured. Instead of requiring advanced technical knowledge, it provides a guided workflow designed to help with passcode or account-related lock situations on iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. After installing the software on your computer, you connect the device, choose the correct model and iOS version, and follow the on-screen instructions step by step. Recent versions focus on simplifying the process and avoiding risky system modifications, making it more accessible for everyday users. The device can be restored to a clean setup state so you can move forward again. As always, this method is intended only for devices you legally own and is shared here for educational and recovery purposes. Perfect. Even calls are working. If this video helped you better understand your options, take a moment to like the video and let me know in the comments which situation you're dealing with. If you still have questions, you can reach out using the contact links below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.